gravity. Set the check to gone. Also, I want to set this plate to gone also. So what this means is that when the user launches this app, it doesn't see this big zero. It doesn't see this display at all when it launches the app. However, we'll see this. Let's set this to also be bold text, okay. So I need something bigger than this. That was too big. So okay, I'll leave it at normal. Yes, so click start to begin. So this instruct the user on what to do. Let me set the background for this. The background color for this, let me use gray, a light gray there. Okay, so once the user launches this game, it sees click start to begin. So and the other button that will be enabled, that will be seen here, is start. So when the user clicks start, another thing we could do is to disable all these key 1 all through to 0. So to do that, we'll set it here on create, set it to on disable, set enable, button 1 is set to set button 1 to enable true, false now. So it's not, this means it's not enabled. I'll duplicate this for button 2, or this for button 3. And I'll duplicate this for button 4, button 5, button 6, and I'll do the same for button 7, button 7, button 8, button 9, and button 0. So what this does is that it makes the user unable to click any of those buttons, though you'll be able to see them clearly. So all those buttons are already disabled by default. So when the user clicks start, on start clicked, it should enable all those buttons again. So enable button 1, operator, set it to true. You have it there. I want to duplicate it. Button 2, duplicate it. Button 3, button 4, duplicate it. Button 5, button 6, button 7, button 8, duplicate it. Button 9, button 0. Now we've enabled all these. Apart from enabling all the keys now, another thing that the start button does is that it sets this text view. I like to set the ID now to info. Okay, so this text view gives us information. So when the start button is clicked, it should set the information to choose a number. Set text to choose a number. Set info, where's info? Okay, so it sets info to choose a number. Choose from 1 to 10. Choose from 0 to 9. The moment you click start, the start button itself will disappear. So let's set it to disappear. Set the start button to gone. Then we want the check button to appear now. So the check button, set the check button to visible. Sorry, I chose the wrong one. Okay, set the check button to visible. So we've assigned 4 rules now. We've set all the buttons to be enabled. we've changed the text info to choose from 0 to 9. Then we've set the start button to disappear and the check button to become visible. So when a button is clicked, what should happen? We need to create two variables. Okay, there's one more thing I didn't set at the start. Let's go back. In the start, we need to create a variable A, which I've already done. As you can see, this variable A, I've created it, is a number. So to create a variable, you click add variable, then make sure you've selected number, then call it A, or you give it another name. You could say random number. So let's just save it as A. So A holds our random number. So we'll set A. Once start is clicked, A is set to a random number. A random number from 0 up to 9. As you the moment we click on start, A is already set to a random number between 0 and 9. It will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So when a button 1 is clicked, when any button is clicked, for example, button 1, when it is clicked, it sets another variable B. I've created another number variable B. You can see it here. This variable B. So it sets the value of this variable B to the number. For example, 1 now, it sets 1 variable B to 1. The same thing I will do for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But not only that, it sets the background color. So I'll come to the view. It sets the background color. Background color for 1, it sets it to blue. Sets it to blue. So once 1 is clicked, the background color for 1 changes to blue, while other color, their background color changes to red. So I will set 2 changes to red. You can see. I'll duplicate the same thing for 3. Make sure you duplicate what you have in 2, not 1. Remember, 1 is already blue, but others we want to set them to red. So I can duplicate them like this. 3, 4, 5. Ensure you have red here. Okay. So I'll do the same for 6. 6. Sorry. 7. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, sorry. 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally for 0. For 0. You can see it now. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So all these colors have been set to red except one, which is the original color. So not only that, I want to display the value that I've chosen. I want to display it on this info. So let's add it. Set text, set text, set info to you have you have chosen now it will set the clicked, it will set the clicked to 1. Set the click to 1. So, and then set it as visible. It sets it to visible. Sets it to visible. Sets clicked to visible. Visible. You can see now. This is what I'll repeat for all other blocks. Now I want to set other buttons too. For 2, you see I've set it up to this level. I want to add the new buttons. You have chosen 2. I've chosen 2. Can you see it now? I'll do the same for 3. You have chosen 3. So 4. You have chosen 4. 5. You have chosen 5. Then we have 6. We have 6. You've chosen 6. We have 7. You've chosen 7. This will help the user to be able to see what he has chosen. So I've set 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 7 9 0. Info said you have chosen. Click says 7, and click is now visible. I'll set for 8. Nine. 9. sorry, I click 8. Okay, I need to change this to 9. You can set now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 0, 4. Okay, then 0 is the final one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 9, 8. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, good. So I'll add this. This is verse 0. Save it. This is verse 0. Save. Let me quickly confirm that we have the right information on all the keys. 0 to 9. Okay. For 8, we have 8. For 7, we have 7. Same for 6. We have 6. For 5, we have 5. 4, we have 4. And 3, we have 3. 2, we have 2. 1 is 1. And that means all buttons are set except for the check button. So the check button, on click, the first thing is if I'll use an if else, sorry. If A equals to B, variable A equals to variable B, then it should say correct. It should say correct. Info should say correct. Answer is info. Otherwise, it should say info should say wrong. Wrong. The correct answer is wrong. The correct answer is set. Sorry, there's no int. I chosen the text. Sorry, I want to break this. Set info. Okay, sorry. Set clicked to convert the value to a decimal, to a string without decimal, to the value of A. So when check is clicked and A equals to B, then the info displays correct answer is what is being displayed. But if it is wrong, that is A is not equals to B, this is wrong. The answer is what is on A. So, aside telling them all this, we need to disable the answer. We need to disable the answer. So we disable all disable 1, set it to false, disable 2, disable 3, disable 4, disable 5, disable 6, disable 7, disable 8, disable 9, and disable 0. Disable 0. So we've disabled all the buttons back. So since we've disabled all the buttons and it has told us the correct color, the correct answer, so that's where we'll be stopping for today. We'll continue from there in the next class. So before we continue, we need to run our app. Let's run our app and see the results. start to begin. Choose from 0 to 9. 9. I have chosen 9. Good. Check. Wrong. The correct answer is 4. Wow. Oh, I cannot go back to stats, so that means we need to add something else to our app such that it will go back to, it will make the start button visible. Back to this check button. I need to set my start button to visible. View, start button. I want to make it visible. Start button, set it visible. Start button is now visible, and the check button becomes gone. You can see now offset that. So by the time we run this app now, it will work well. Thank you for being part of this class. See you again in the next class.